Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best fireproof wall safe on the market. The 22.6 tall Fireproof Wall Safe between the studs with numeric keypad and removable shelf by Tiskgg. Let's explore why this safe stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about security. This wall safe is built like a fortress, featuring a pry-resistant door, 8-gauge steel housing, and a welded pry-proof steel body. It's designed to withstand even the most determined intruders, giving you peace of mind knowing your valuables are safe and secure. But security isn't just about physical strength, it's also about convenience. That's why this safe comes equipped with a programmable numeric keypad and spare keys. Whether you prefer to punch in a code or use a traditional key, accessing your belongings has never been easier. And speaking of convenience, this safe offers 3 different ways to open it. You can use your personal code or a master code, employ the emergency keys, or utilize the external battery box in case of power outage. With multiple access options, you'll never find yourself locked out of your own safe. One of my favorite features of this safe is the hidden bottom compartment, perfect for storing cash, jewelry, or other sensitive items. Plus, the built-in LED light ensures you can easily access your valuables even in low light conditions. But what about storage space? This safe has you covered there too. With an adjustable shelf and ample interior space, you can customize the layout to accommodate items of various sizes, from important documents to firearms. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the ease of installation, sturdiness, and overall value of this wall safe, with countless satisfied users singing its praises. It's clear that the Tiskgg wall safe is a top contender in the world of home security. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a fireproof wall safe that combines top-notch security with unmatched convenience, look no further than the Tiskgg 22.6 tall fireproof wall safe between the studs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay safe and secure.